Okay, so this is a half serious joke that I made to myself that I'm trying to explain to you. But I need to give kind of some surface information first. So the reason this became something that happened in my head is because I've been trying to find the meaning of life for myself and answer some questions that I have. And a lot of them are just related to like purpose and all that stuff. And something I want to inform you on that I just think is cool, let me find the page, is our Milky Way galaxy is just one of the billions of galaxies in the universe. So think about that for a second. Our Milky Way galaxy, the galaxy that we live in, is one of billions of galaxies in the universe. Okay? And within the Milky Way, there are at least 100 billion stars on average. And each star has at least one planet orbiting it. Okay? So just, no one can hear those numbers and comprehend it in a visual way. You can't. But the fact that the numbers are just so huge that you can't comprehend it tells you, in a sense, how extraordinarily big the universe is. And we are made of atoms, and those atoms are different types, but they all come from stars in the galaxy. I think mostly ones that are dying, I believe. But anyway, how beautiful, exciting, and all positive words is it that out of all of the people that could have been created by these atoms coming together and forming people, that me and you, or whoever is listening to this, was the one that was created. No matter what painful things you're going through in your life, that is still fucking cool. That out of all of these atoms, and out of all the possibilities, the possibility that happened was you. Right? But for me, that is completely beautiful, and I don't want to take away from that. But I have this, like, personally, because I don't believe in an afterlife, this is probably bigger of an issue for me. But the fact that I am missing out on so much is very, very hard to make peace with, and I'm working on it. And I'm also understanding that I probably will never make peace with it in the way that I'm wanting to, because, like, how are you gonna make peace with something that sad? And I'm learning that that is okay. But a fun little thing that I said to myself when I was struggling with this is that, like, in fantasy novels or any kind of fantasy, with magic, a lot of the time magic has a price. And you can look at the fact that we, or you, are alive in this moment and conscious and have all the beautiful things that being alive and being a human gives to you. That is a form of magic in a sense. It's not the magic with a wand, but it's still a magic. It's still magical. And I kind of joked, well, haha, magic has a price. And, my price so happened to be that I'm disabled. And while it is sad, there's a lot of positives to it too, because disability gives you things that most able-bodied people won't even comprehend. Like the amount of resilience and strength it takes to be a sick person is just you can't even comprehend it if you're healthy. It's massive. But that realization, that little joke that I made to myself, is something that was funny to me, and something that I thought I would share, because it was, while it's not a concrete answer, it's still, useful. It's a fun way to look at things. Well, at least in my perspective, I think it's fun. So, I'm just gonna leave that with you. But bye.